Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and oh my god, I'm back. I mean, I haven't been gone like that long, but I feel like I haven't filmed in probably 2 weeks, and I think it's been like 10 days since I've uploaded a new video, so I'm a little, I'm still a little weak. I'm still like a little bit lightheaded. I had the flu, or a flu. I know, we'll get to the skincare, okay, right? Today's video is gonna be all about my favorite skincare. I think I might sound different. I feel a little congested. I feel like I've got like water in my lungs, but I'm fine. So yeah, my daughter had an endometriosis flare. You know, she's at college and she does so well, and she is, I mean, they don't call them endo warriors for nothing, because there's millions of women, myself included, that suffer in silence. However, we are getting louder, which is great. And I really appreciated Tati's video with her sister. Her sister had the same excision surgery, or, you know, the kind of surgery that Emma had a year ago. And it's life-changing. It really, really is. And it's hard when people look at who have a loved one, who have someone in their circle that they care for, and they've been suffering, and then they're having a good time of it. Like, everything has been going really well for them. But then all of a sudden, you know, all of a sudden they're having like a really bad week. Something, whether it was triggered by stress, hormones are, you know, a bitch. I mean, they're so unpredictable. And so then it can send them into this horrible feeling of just debilitating pain, fatigue, inability to just function. And then the people around them are like, wait a second, I thought you were better. But endometriosis is a disease, and it's not going away. And there's things you can do to excise it from the body. There's ways you can manage it, but it's not, there's no cure. There's nothing, even diets. Your diet isn't going to cure it. It's, you just kind of don't know. And anyhow, so, you know, the people in Emma's school circle are kind of like, wait a second, I thought you were good. I thought, what's wrong? You've been so great these few months, you know? And then, so I'm like, I'm coming, honey, I'm coming. Also, her pain puts me in an absolute anxiety spiral. You know, I think we do this as parents anyway, but it's almost like a trigger. It's like a PTSD. She has PTSD. She absolutely does. She gets triggered by doctor appointments. She gets triggered by reading articles, seeing other testimonials. You know, chronic pain is a very emotional, raw, layered experience. And even when you're feeling better, it can be something that's always there. And when you've been treated poorly by certain medical professionals and not validated, it's just so upsetting. It's so upsetting not to get relief, to wonder if you're ever gonna feel okay. So anyway, I went out there and I'm like, honey, I'm coming. I can help you with your laundry. I can just drive you places. I can just, you know, get you some fresh food and just be there for you as your mom. And I did, and it was so good, and we both needed it. And then I got the flu. Once I felt like, okay, I think she's okay, she's gonna manage. I just like woke up in my hotel room and I was sick as a dog, and I haven't been this sick in a really long time. And I got my flu shot, so it's not the flu, or at least, I don't know. I mean, I honestly don't know. I didn't have any fever, but I had about 3 days worth of body aches. My lungs are just full, and I have a little bit of congestion. And Mucinex, I took cough medicine, and I usually do okay with Mucinex, but I am telling you, you guys, I can't take it. I got dizzy. I feel so gross. My mouth felt like raw. So I'm basically just dealing with things with like hot lemon water. And that sounds so purist of me, and that is not my intention. I want drugs, but my body is like, ugh, ugh. I'm such a lightweight, you guys. I am such a lightweight. It feels good to put makeup on. It feels good to hang out here and talk to you guys. And I know some of you are like, just frickin' get on with it. And that's fine. I get it. But thank you. Thank you for letting me share. I also know that there's some of you out there who I feel so connected with, and we message each other, whether it's through, you know, Instagram DMs or just in the comment section below. And I feel like you guys know when either we're hurting as moms, or we have some kind of health issue in our life. And yeah, so I like other people to know they're not alone, and we're all, I mean, I'm suffering, you're suffering, we're all suffering. Alrighty. Okay. Let's begin. You know what? I feel like this is not going to be anything earth-shattering or new for you. Wow, this video. I think these are all review. But if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Thank you. I feel like I get so many questions of, hey, what's your skincare? Or hey, did you like this? Did you like this? Because not everybody watches every video. So if this is redundant for you, thank you so much. That means you've been around the block with me a few times. If this is new to you, then great. I'm happy to provide the information that you know, you're looking for. Let me tell you about what my skin is like. I'm 47 years old. I live in the Pacific Northwest. I am very sensitive. So I not only, you know, I'm this pale green-eyed person, but I sunburn easily. I react to ingredients, botanicals, fragrance, alcohol, those kinds of things very easily. I flush, you know, my skin just kind of, it does that when I put makeup on. You guys see it. So that's just who I am. And I've learned over the years what works and what doesn't. And so I figured I would give you just a sort of update and let you know all the things that I'm still using because they have just done so well for me. So my first, also, this is not a sponsored video, and some of these products I was gifted, but some of these products I purchased, but that does not change the outcome of my review or how often I use them or anything like that, but I am disclosing that. So the first one is CUROLOGY, and I did do a CUROLOGY sponsored video 8 months ago, 6 months ago, and I really still enjoy the system. So I use the CUROLOGY at night. Their serum that is customized is for nighttime, and mine has niacinamide, tretinoin, and tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid. And it's just really good. It has agreed with my skin. It's improved my skin. I love it. So I also really enjoy the moisturizer and the cleanser. These are so straightforward, no added ingredients that are irritating, no fragrance, and I really like them. And then I've really enjoyed Paula's Choice. You guys know this. I use the Paula's Choice SPF every day. This is 24/7. stop saying that, Rebecca. I don't wear it to bed. It's 12/7. I wear it every day, 365. Maybe that's what I need to, it's like, I wear winter, spring, summer, indoors, outdoors. I wear sunscreen every day. And I love this Essential Glow Moisturizer. This SPF 30, yeah, it's lovely. It's got a radiance to it. It wears well under makeup for me. I really like it, and I use it. I have it on auto replenishment through Paula's Choice, so I don't really have to think about it. This is my SPF. If I find one that I love as much, I'll try it. I'll tell you about it, but right now that's still the one. Paula's Choice really has educated me in terms of using their ingredient dictionary and learning about ingredients that trigger rosacea. If you haven't checked out their ingredient dictionary yet, go for it. And also just knowing that none of their products have triggering ingredients means I can kind of use things without really thinking. Not everything works the same. Like, there are some products I love more than others. But if you're still feeling really like that winter dry skin, Paula's Choice Intensive Repair Cream from the Resist line is my kind of evening. I even use it during the day, though, to be honest with you. This is such a rich cream, and it's just, but it's not greasy. So it doesn't feel like, you know, you can feel the oil or you can feel that kind of heaviness on your skin. But if you're really dry, yes. And it works well with others. It doesn't react. I'm like, does it play nicely on the playground? The playground being my face. And then recently I've tried the Good Molecules line. They did send me some PR. This silicone-free priming moisturizer. This is a fabulous moisturizer to use for dry skin any day, any time of day, you know, morning and night. And I use it sometimes over my Curology serum. I'll use it in the daytime over other serums. So it really is just a good moisturizer. And it is silicone-free with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone. It's just, it has such a nice emolliency, nothing heavy, right? Okay, oh, and then the niacinamide from Good Molecules. Niacinamide is excellent to resurface, not like an acid, not like a glycolic resurfacing, but improving skin texture that has been, you know, scarred by acne, that has enlarged pores. And so the niacinamide is kind of I feel like we just found this in, you know, the last few years, and it's so amazing. And we're learning more about it because it used to be like, don't use it with vitamin C, don't use it with retinol. And now it's kind of like, it's okay to. It depends on the formulation, etc. This is 10%. There's nothing else really in here, but yeah. So it's basically to refine skin texture and minimize pores. I feel like for me, for rosacea sufferers, I love it because it calms things. And that may not be like a claim it makes, but that's how my face reacts when I put it on. Okay. Alrighty. So the Versed Skincare is at Target. Love this On the Rise Firming Serum. It has peptides in it. It is affordable. You know, it's a $20 serum. It doesn't have fragrance. It doesn't have denatured alcohol. And it just has such a nice kind of lifting action of the skin. I feel like if you're into Drunk Elephant, but you're tired of the price tag, maybe try this line, because the vitamin C powder and this and the brightening serum and this serum are really good. and very affordable. I have discovered Yeouth reached out to me a year ago or so, and I've been using their products off and on, incorporating it with other products, etc. Right? So this Yeouth Skincare, you can get it at other like health food store websites. I think like All Star Health is one of them. You can get it on Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. You could get it on their website. But it's really affordable. This retinol 2.5% serum is really nice. It has a hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. It's in a tinted dark bottle, which is good because it preserves the formula. And it doesn't irritate. Sometimes I even use this. I'll use this in conjunction with the CUROLOGY. So I kind of mix my retinols if I know I kind of do it gently and quietly and like lovingly. Yeah. And then hyaluronic acid. Everybody's got a hyaluronic acid. Find one you like. Find one that has very little of anything in there, you know. Okay, last but not least, the Inkey List. Love these guys from the UK. The caffeine serum, which you can use for your eyes. It's great. It's a great eye cream. I mean, it's intended to be an eye cream. You can use it all over your face. No one's gonna care, right? It's 1/2 ounce, great little portable container. I couldn't come up with the word. Like tube. Oh, this is their Multibiotic Moisturizer. It's like a probiotic for your face, because there's a lot of Inkey List products I love. I love their hemp moisturizer. I love that hemp moisturizer. And what's the Inkey List has going for it is not only affordable, very just like straightforward ingredients, packaging that is, you know, doesn't get the product contaminated. It shields it from light. And I hope that was, I know that everybody wants to see these, everybody, you know, there's people going, you should just demonstrate the product. You should show us in your bathroom. You should do a, like, put it on. And look, guys. I'm happy to shower today. So, yeah. Look at my blonde hair. Okay, and yeah, well, I hope you're surviving. Wow, 2020, shit, 2020 is kicking my ass. I swear though, I swear to you, it's gonna be my year. There are things in store for me. They're gonna be amazing. I just know it. And you know, we take the good with the bad, and there's a lot more than good than bad, and I hope that's the case for you. I hope you haven't succumbed to crud. Hey, if you want to listen to a podcast, listen to This Podcast Will Kill You. It's all about infectious diseases, and they have an amazing episode on the coronavirus and also vaccinations and other things. It's very informative, and I love it. So I've been into that. Okay, I just thought I'd share that since we're in like flu season. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Hey, if anything, make it a pity subscription. Subscribe to my channel out of pity, because I'm so pathetic. Oh gosh, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, leave me a comment, and thanks so much. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.